Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues, all right? So today, we just gonna keep it simple, bro. We're gonna keep it simple for y'all.
What we getting into today?
We're gonna get into some leg quarters. We're gonna smoke these leg quarters, all right?
Yeah, I like chicken, man. You know, chicken's one of my favorite dishes, and especially leg quarters. I like them like I like my women.
You like and
Big
how's that?
thighs and nice legs. Big thighs and nice legs, and they looking pretty big and nice.
Yeah, they are. They some nice looking leg quarters. That's what's up. So you like them like you like your women. All right. So we just gonna keep it simple today. We gonna oil them up. I got a little olive oil right here, so I'm gonna oil these up. I'm gonna hit them with our signature magic dust.
All right.
And then we gonna get into a couple of little glazes and sauces here.
All right. What kind of sauce we got?
So we got the bird bath peach mango habanero from Texas pepper jelly.
Okay.
And then we get into one of our homeboys of the show, one of the good friends of the show, TNT Barbecue.
Okay.
We're gonna get into his people from his hometown, three generations.
Yeah,
barbecue.
Out of Leesburg, Florida.
Out of Leesburg, Florida. Ashanti.
Yeah, Miss Ashanti.
Miss Ashanti, yeah. So we're gonna get into these as
got
well.
The hot mustard. We got one.
Yep, we got a mild. You got the medium, and then you got that hot.
We gonna see what it's talking about.
Oh, I know what it's talking about. So we're going to get into this. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to take my hand, stick it in a little oil here.
Gonna rub it down and
just
caress it.
Caress it down. We're going to caress them down on both sides.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to lay it there. And then you grab that magic dust.
As you doing it, you rub them down and I'll throw the shake on it.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. All right. And what happens is this olive oil helps this chicken brown up real nicely, and it helps that season stick to it real good. All right.
Yeah, basically it's gonna be a binder, pretty much.
It is a binder. Yep. All right. So we gonna finish doing this.
Yeah, we don't want to bore you.
And I don't want to bore you with that. So we gonna finish doing this, and then we'll catch back up to you in a few seconds. All right. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, so we're back. As you can see, we've had our oil. We've used our olive oil binder. We seasoned it up with our magic dust. Now that olive oil is gonna help that skin crisp up real nicely. Okay, so it serves as a binder, and it helps your skin crisp up real nicely the way you like it. All right. So we're gonna run this Masterbuilt at 300.
About 300?
Yep. And we just gonna set this right here, Bob. We're gonna run it at 300, okay? So I'm gonna go on and get these on here. Nice looking leg quarters here.
Yeah, they look great.
Yeah. So I'm gonna finish loading up this bad boy, and then we'll be back to you shortly. All right. Catch you in a minute. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Now, hey, if you like what we're doing, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share the channel with your friends, okay? We would really appreciate that, because we're here for you guys. All right? So we'll catch you back in a minute. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, welcome back to BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where today we're doing leg quarters. Now we're about to get into
the best part of
his
the show.
Favorite part of the show, the chick.
Yeah, the best part of the show is always the drinking. The food is cool.
Speak a little louder, please.
Hey, man, I got this. The food is cool, but the drinking is where it's at. All right, today we got some Sazerac Rye, all right, from my favorite city, New Orleans.
Yes.
Favorite party city. And if this whiskey is as good as those women's accent are down there, then it's got to be good.
And the food.
And the food good too.
Yeah. And the free and our friends.
And our friends, yeah. The food good too. Yeah. But we're gonna see Sazerac is actually bottled and distilled out of I think Buffalo Trace.
Yeah.
Out there in Kentucky. All right, yeah. So it's gonna run in smooth. It's probably about 40-45% alcohol volume. So it's probably running about 90 proof.
Okay.
All right. About 90 proof. All right. To the nose, you're gonna get sense of orange zest, clove, and raisins. Okay.
Okay.
You know, as you get into sipping it to the palate, you're gonna get sweet apricot taste.
Okay.
Some hints of vanilla and caramel on the back end, just traditional notes.
Okay.
And to the finish, it's gonna be a little kick, but it's gonna ease out. You're gonna get a big burst of rye, but it kind of calms down, in a few seconds.
Yeah.
Then it's gonna mellow out into some licorice finish taste.
I hope it ain't that black licorice.
Yeah. You want it to be some twills.
It need to be the twills.
the red. But so we're gonna get into this Sazerac and see what it's talking about. You know, every time we go to New Orleans, I always see it right there on the corner of Canal, but we don't never stop in.
The Sazerac house.
Yeah. We don't never stop in and get any. Well, I guess they wouldn't want me on the tour no way, because I'm going to keep walking back and forth getting the free samples.
Making different faces.
Change my face up, put on different hats.
Hey, he do that at Sam's and Costco too, man. Them people be looking at him. He walking through with different faces, trying to get most samples.
Man, with this COVID going on, I got about 3 or 4 different masks in my in my pocket. So when I go back into something, I just change my mask.
Just embarrassing.
Man, it's hard. I have grease and everything on my mask. All right, man, we're gonna try this Sazerac and see what is
smells good.
Smells good. I can definitely get that orange peel zest in there. So without further ado, let me see what it's tasting like.
Cheers, y'all.
Again.
Yep. Cheers.
Yeah, that's pretty nice little.
Nice
little whiskey. Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah, you catch them raisins and everything, man. You catch all.
Yeah,
I
didn't catch no licorice on the end though.
I didn't catch the licorice either. I was
And
waiting
I'm
for
glad
it, but it never came. I was waiting for it, but it never came. Yeah. Maybe it's when you wake up in the morning.
All righty. Catch y'all later.
Yep, catch you in a few. Yeah, man. So, yeah, this pretty smooth right here.
It's all right.
All right, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to BbqBourbon
Bourbon
and Blues with the Word Brothers. Well, we're here. We did these leg quarters today. We hit them with our magic dust. Got them up to 165 degrees internal temp. Hit these with a little bit of that bird bath by Texas Pepper Jelly.
Yeah, I'm get a little picture.
Yep, there it is. So you see the glaze on it. These right here are plain with just magic dust on it. But we gonna hit it with a little bit of this 3 Generation sauce. All right. Now, I normally get the white bread when we do this, but my brother's on a healthy journey. So he didn't want to do the white bread today. He got some wheat bread. So I'm gonna take his little leg right here, and then we just gonna cut a little piece off. For him, I'm gonna cut that little piece off, stick it on his little bread with his health journey. And I'm gonna take that and just slide it on there.
No.
Just like my homeboy told me to do.
Man, you better cut me a little bit more off.
You on your health journey. I'm just trying to make sure you stay healthy. There you go.
Man, you got the game messed up.
165, just like my homeboy Thyra say, and I know what it's gonna do.
All right, we're gonna try this hot mustard.
Yes, Lord.
Hot mustard by 3 Generations. We'll just drizzle a little bit of some of this.
3 Generations down there in Leesburg, Florida. All right, that's right outside of Orlando, I believe, if I'm not mistaken.
Could be.
Yeah, I think it is. So y'all might want to get down there and try some of this, all right? I'm gonna fold it up just like my homeboy told me to do. Take me a bite of this ham.
That hot mustard is true. It's good.
Delicious, boy.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
You got something going with this.
Yeah, you do. Ashanti, let me tell you something. Thyra, that's the truth. You get on there,
That hot mustard.
get you some of
They
that
all
hot
good.
mustard, get the medium. If you don't like it hot, they got medium and they got mild. But this right here, yeah, love it. All right, so let me tell y'all something. Make sure you get out there, watch some of our older videos. All right, we got this chicken video. We got the Jack and Coke chicken.
Peri.
We got the peri chicken. So y'all go out there, watch some of our old videos, and like I said, subscribe, comment, like, share the channel. We would really appreciate it. We love y'all. Catch you in a minute. BbqBourbon&Blues, Word Brothers. Peace.